Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We have some super cool stuff going on today. Foundry has rigged us up with some new swag. We're gonna be looking on point. We got some brand new seats and stuff going into the MK4 Supra, and we're unboxing and getting started on the TRX Turbo from Hellion Turbochargers. So come on with me guys, we're gonna show you what the Driven Shop's doing today. How's it going today, man?
Good, good.
Doing well, doing well.
What's up, brother? How's it going, buddy?
Good, how you doing?
Good, good.
Yeah.
Hey, Max.
Hey, buddy.
So for everybody on there, this is Max. He's from a local shop in town, Foundry. He's got us all swagged up, looking sharp in the new Dixon hardware. It's got our logo on it. Let's open one up, see what we got here. So we got a large, nice heavy, fire rated. It's keeping us safe. We got the Driven Performance logo on there.
Nice.
What do you think? Looks good.
Those look sharp. Those are mine.
Just want to get you dripped up. Feeling legit.
I'm feeling more like a professional already.
Well, now that El Jefe's here, what's El Jefe think?
I think you guys look pretty sharp. Cute.
Thanks, man. Yeah, anytime.
You're awesome. These are great. So check out Foundry in Calgary. Gets you all your Dixon and Troll clothing gear. And what else you guys, where can we find you online? How can we order online? Where are you guys? Give us a rundown.
So you can find us at Cross Iron Mills. We're in the Solly's Bay right now. On Instagram, you can find us at foundry.yyc. Our website is foundryshop.ca. Free shipping over $50.
They got the best Dixon wall in the country, guaranteed.
Fire retardant?
It is, yeah. These are
Good,
fire
we need
rated.
that.
Well, step one, look good, feel good, perform good, fellas.
All right.
I think this is a win.
I'll get to work. Well, boys, these shirts look so good. I think we need a montage.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeff here at the Driven Shop, and we're doing some mods to the Supra tribute car. So what we've done is we're taking out the stock seats and we're putting these in these race-inspired seats with the blue suede. I've modified it with these Sparco seatbelt harnesses. Along the way, we had to do a couple little modifications to the base. We had to drill some holes and attach these harnesses just so everything looks clean and fits nicely. We had it all mocked up outside of the car, and now we're going to install it. I've got the stock seats here. I've already unbolted them, and we're just gonna pull these out and switch them out for the new ones. Now I did have these in previously. I kind of retrofitted them to make sure everything fits. I did have to do a few modifications to the base, grind out a couple holes, because we all know when you're putting custom stuff in, it's not always bolt on. So yeah, so we ground out a couple little areas just so everything fits nicely, got everything in here snug, and now we'll just bolt it in and we're ready to go. Got these bolts started in here, now we'll tighten it down. Make sure everything's nice and snug here, and we'll be nice and safe. And of course, the last bolt always is the hardest. There we go. Seats installed. We have the 4-point harness for racing, and then I also installed the factory seats just for cruising around. So we got our matching seats in here. You can see the matching felt doors, and we've also got the boot cover. And later on today, once I get all this dash stuff figured out, we'll be installing the blue suede Sparco racing inspired steering wheel as well. You can notice the dash is all apart here. We had some lighting issues with the actual instrument cluster itself. None of the lights were going on, so I got the dimmer switch fixed. After that, we got to figure out the tachometer and odometer. So I got a little bit more digging around to do and figure out what's going on with that, but this is a start. And Ryan? Yeah. You want to come check out this seat and we'll get you all strapped in here? We'll get them all set up and get them all dialed in so we're nice and tight and safe. I'm feeling like Paul Walker.
Taking for a test kit?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got the shoulder belts here, the lap belt. There we go.
These are money. Where's it go?
So these clip into slots here.
Butt me up, Jeff.
Get you ready for race wars, bro.
Are we running?
Yeah, quarter mile at a time, that's all we do. All right, there we go. And then the patented quick release. Boom, he's out. Oh yeah, thanks buddy. So now we're all set up, everything's nice and tight, everything fits good, seat slides well. and we're ready to hit the racetrack. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so we can keep you up to date on the Supra build.
All right, guys, last time we said El Jefe was out doing El Jefe things. Well, she's in the office today, so we're gonna introduce you over here to Kaylee. Kaylee wrangles us all in. She makes sure things get done on time. She yells at us when we need it, because we're giant children, we need it. Kaylee, what are you up to right now? It looks like you're ordering some parts from Proven Diesel.
I am ordering a tune for Betty, Bill's truck. I'm making it happen. That's pretty much it.
What's up, everybody? My name's Ryan. You met me briefly before. Today, I got all of these parts. I actually got more in the box below that I don't have room for right now. But I'm gonna be taking this TRX that comes factory supercharged, and we're gonna turn it from a TRX to a Hell RX. We're gonna put this big beefy Hellion turbo kit onto it. So we're gonna twin turbo an already supercharged pickup truck. We got a lot of work to do. Still got a lot left underneath that I gotta take out, but gonna be chipping away at it. So this is going to be a bit of a multi-video build. Today, we're just kind of laying everything out. We're gonna go through some of the parts. I'm gonna show you kind of what they do, where they're gonna go, and talk to you about it so you can understand better what's gonna happen to this truck here. So make sure you like, share, subscribe if you guys wanna know what happens and how this truck performs at the finish line. All right, so obviously everyone probably wants to see the turbos, which makes sense, I wanna see them too. Naturally, we're gonna start with the smaller boxes, so you're gonna have to wait around. So we got some new injectors for it. We're gonna increase the fuel supply, obviously going in. So that's gonna make a big difference on performance. These ones are Bosch 1050X injectors. We got some new clips for it. So lucky me, I get to wire in some new connectors for it. That's always fun. But that's gonna make a big difference. Next, we'll go to another small box here. Okay, so now we got the Raceport BOV blow-off valve for anyone else that doesn't like acronyms. All right, so blow-off valves vent drive pressure pre-engine. That's why you want these bad boys on, and these ones are nice juicy ones, black, chrome. It's exactly what you want on a kit like this. Next, we got the wastegates. First things first, when you're opening car parts, always make sure that there's stickers in there. If there's not stickers in it, make sure you call the manufacturer, because we live for stickers as mechanics. Oh, that's a nice one. So wastegates control turbos, blow-off valves save engines. This one we can actually take apart and we can adjust it. It's currently set for 5 PSI, but we can change it to 7 PSI if we'd like to. But we're gonna get it bolted in first and then decide what we're gonna do with it. These look juicy. So this, we got some of the gauges. There's a lot of loose bits in there though, so end of this one will be a lot more fun when it's operational. So we'll show you that on one of the next videos when it's plugged in, wired in, and we'll show you it working. Then throughout this table, we got a lot of different exhaust bits and pieces, CAC tubes, lots of stuff to wire it in. So we're going to change the thermostat out. I gotta take one of the valve covers off, change the oil baffle, modify that a bit so that we get better oil flow. There's a lot to do on this one. It's going to take a few videos. So again, make sure you guys subscribe and follow along for more. And we're gonna get this twin turbo supercharger pulling some real boost here.
Show us the turbos.
Oh yeah, you guys didn't see the turbos yet. Good call. So you got Pat 20 times before. And then you can take it apart. Just always follow the instructions. That's a thing of beauty. So these are more of a remote turbo setup. So they're actually bolting up to the stock manifolds. They're gonna sit back behind and below the engine, closer to the transmission. So these are going to feed the supercharger, and that's how you get a twin turbo supercharged system. So before I get started taking more stuff apart and getting ready to install this kit, I'm gonna show you where these are going to mount in the truck. So I'll get this put up so you guys can check it out. Safety first, drop her on the locks. So I already took the cats out on both sides. You can see these turbos are actually going to go in and around this area. I gotta double check obviously orientation, but the CAC tubes are gonna run just underneath the bell housing of the transmission and go back up into the intake. They're gonna be back down here. Supercharger is bolted to the top of the engine. It's a lot of work, but it's gonna be a fun job. All right, so make sure you stay tuned and follow along with this build if you wanna see how it comes out. We got a lot of cool things going on in this shop, so make sure you also turn on your notifications because we're gonna be pumping them out for you.
Hey guys, wanted to thank you for coming at the Driven Shop today, seeing what we got going on this week. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe to see what we're doing on these projects, from the Supra to the TRX to some of the stuff we haven't fully shown you yet today, and what's going on in our show in the next 3 months. We got a lot going on, and we want you to come along for the ride.